Many car owners unknowingly make small mistakes that can lead to poor performance and expensive repairs over time. Understanding these common mistakes can help you take better care of your vehicle, extend its lifespan, and save money in the long run. Skipping regular maintenance is one of the biggest mistakes car owners make. Ignoring important tasks like oil changes, fluid checks, and routine inspections can cause the engine and other parts of the car to wear out faster. Old or dirty oil cannot properly protect the engine, and low or dirty fluids can lead to overheating or mechanical failure. Over time, these small problems can turn into serious engine damage and expensive repairs that could have been easily avoided with regular maintenance. Driving with warning lights on is a common mistake many car owners make. Dashboard warning lights are designed to alert you when something is wrong with your vehicle. Ignoring these warnings can allow small problems to become much worse over time, leading to breakdowns or costly repairs. Paying attention to warning lights and addressing the problem early helps keep your car safe, reliable, and running smoothly. Using the wrong fuel or engine oil can seriously damage your car. Every vehicle is designed to run on a specific type of fuel and oil, and using the wrong one can affect how the engine works. Incorrect fuel may cause knocking, poor performance, or even engine failure. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Neglecting tire care is a common mistake that can affect both safety and performance. Driving with underinflated or worn-out tires reduces fuel efficiency because the engine has to work harder. Poor tire condition also affects grip on the road, increasing the risk of skidding, blowouts, and accidents, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Regularly checking tire and replacing worn tires helps ensure better mileage, safer driving, and a smoother ride. Overloading a vehicle is a mistake that can cause serious damage over time. Carrying more weight than your car is designed for puts extra stress on the engine, making it work harder and use more fuel. Not replacing worn brake parts on time is a dangerous mistake many car owners make. Brakes are one of the most important safety systems in a vehicle, and worn pads, rotors or other components can reduce braking power and increase stopping distance. Ignoring brake maintenance not only puts you and others at risk of accidents, but can also lead to more expensive repairs. Regularly checking and replacing worn brake parts ensures your car stays safe and reliable. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can keep your car running smoothly, safely, and efficiently for many years.